Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back again. Today is Wednesday. Welcome back to Tool Deals, where we have amazing tool deals every day. Okay, so today I've got a few deals. Well, I've got two deals. The first one is this kit. It's by Milwaukee. It's a M12 kit. So this Milwaukee deal, it's really nice because it's 199 and it has 4 tools and it comes with 2 batteries, and also it comes with a charger. It's a quick charger, so it charges in 30 minutes, and also it comes with this bag. Okay, the batteries are 1.5 amp hours, so they're the smallest batteries, but they're still really good. At least if you want to use them at home, you've got plenty of time to work with these tools. But if you want them for work, if you want to go around the whole day working with this tool, it might not be enough. But if you want to stay at home and work, I don't know, well, it really depends on how much you use them. But if you want to use them for a whole hour or something like that, that's more than enough. That's plenty of battery, plenty of power. Of course, not 1 hour non-stop, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, so this tool is this deal is really nice because just this tool, which is the Ratchet tool by Milwaukee, this one runs for 80, usually $90. Here on Amazon, you can see it; it's $84. They're almost out of stock. These are really popular. If you want to work on a vehicle, this one, you've got the perfect angle. It's super low profile, as you can see, versus using just like a regular driver, So of course there are adapters, to use them with a impact driver, but it's not the same. This is a lot more convenient. It has a lot of power, and also it's a little bit slower. It doesn't spin as fast, so there is less risk of stripping something. So yeah, if you want to work on vehicles, this tool, it's super popular. It's amazing. As you can see, also all these tools, they have like a little indicator to see how much battery is left. Also, another tool that is really popular in this kit is this reciprocating saw. It's super handy. It's super small. You can just carry it everywhere. Compared to those big ones. Also, you need to take into account that this is a smaller one. You're not gonna demolish or like a whole kitchen, for example, with this one. But it comes in handy, so it's really comfortable. It's really compact. The other thing that you need to know about this kit, that this is not the M12 version, which means these are not brushless tools. Okay, these are just regular tools, which they are still Milwaukee, so that means that they are really high quality tools, but they're not the brushless version. So if you want them, for example, if you want them for home, that's perfect. This is more than enough. With brushless, you're gonna get a little bit more power, maybe a little bit more life out of these tools. But if you just want them for home, just to repair a few things here and there, this is more than enough. You're gonna have years and years of use out of these tools. So for $199, you can get all 4 of these, which, as I said, just this tool by itself without the batteries is almost $90. So to get the rest for like 110, that's really good. Okay, and also it's a really way to get started with this type of tools. So yeah, just remember that I always put the links in the description so you can get them. And also remember to give this video a like so that you can help me grow this channel even faster. Okay, we're growing really fast, but you could help me grow it even faster. Okay, so let's go to the next deal. I'm going to show you. It's really sweet. So this deal is by Amazon in Dewalt. So it says here, save $10 on orders $50 or more. Of course, there are some conditions, First of all, this one, you need to know that this is a limited time offer. They don't say when it's going to expire, but it's going to expire soon. And also it lasts until all the supplies are gone. So it's a limited time offer. And Also, what you need to know that you can choose any combinations of these tools, and they have to be these tools. You cannot just start like going through Amazon and trying to find your own Dewalt tools. It's these ones. You need to choose from these ones, okay? And if the total is over $50, you can get $10 off. But you need to take into account also that these coupons can be only used once per customer, okay? So if you want to use more than one, you can talk to a friend or whatever. But you can only use this $10 coupon only once, okay? So you can get items, for example, that they don't go on sale that often. That's what I would do, okay? And also something else that you need to know, that if you're gonna buy it, for example, with a friend or something, you can only ship all the items to one address, okay? So it's not that you can just buy a few tools for you and a few tools for your friend and ship it to your friends. No, you need to ship all these items at the same time, which means like you're gonna choose different shipping speeds. All of them needs to go in the same package, and they need to go to the same address, okay? So those are the restrictions that this deal has. But besides that, I mean, it's amazing. You've got a lot of tools to choose from. You know which ones they never go on sale. I'm not going to go one by one. You know those ones. You've been looking at them for a while and you never find them on sale. So this is a perfect time to get a little deal, you know. We all want an amazing deal. Okay, so guys, remember to subscribe with the little bell so that you can receive notifications every single time I upload a new deal, which is every day. Okay, so yeah, just subscribe with a little bell and give this video a like. Okay, see you guys.